edit this photo with me. Okay, so the first thing I do when I'm editing is I always straighten the photo to start off. This got it almost perfect. There we go. Okay, so this is the raw and this is with my preset on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it. It needs to have a little bit more contrast. It's a little too bright. Obviously, the warmth needs to come up. It was super blue. You could see before, like, the white is very blue. And it's obviously super hazy, so I'm gonna bring up the dehaze, like there. And obviously we need more vibrance and saturation, because when you get like sun rays coming in and things like that, you start to lose saturation as well. I'm gonna bring up that sharpness and take off the grain because I want this one to be a really sharp photo. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Now I'm gonna go into my mask and I'm gonna create a subject mask. This is one of my favorite masks to create. I'm gonna name it subject. I'm gonna bring up the saturation a little bit. I'm gonna bring up the contrast. I'm actually gonna bring up the brightness a little bit. It kind of helps, it's gonna make it pop a little bit more. Bring up the shadows a little bit, blacks down. And then the biggest thing I'm gonna do is bring up the dehaze, like there. I think it needs a little more contrast too. Okay, here's the before and after. And then, of course, add more sharpness, 1 for clarity. That's pretty good. And then I'm gonna go and duplicate and invert my mask and create a mask for the background. In the background, I'm gonna bring down the clarity just a little bit. I'm gonna bring down the dehaze just to make it a little bit more. Actually, I'm not gonna bring down the dehaze. That makes it a little bit too much of a difference. So I'm gonna bring down the sharpness. Perfect. I'm gonna go back to my subject mask. It's a little bit too much. I'm gonna bring down the dehaze and down the contrast. Okay, that looks better. I'm gonna go back to the overall photo, bring the contrast up, dehaze up. That's looking so much better. And then the warmth. And then the warmth needs to come up a little bit. A little more. I don't want them orange, but I do want it really warm. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and fix the little things. I don't want to try to take away all these flyaways, otherwise it will look really fake, especially since it's backlit, but just the ones that are bothering me are the ones I'm just gonna have my generative remove fix that for me. It's gonna fix it in like 20-30 seconds. It's just gonna be super easy. Okay, that's perfect. Then look at the overall photo. Is there anything else that needs to be fixed? Not really. I do want it a little more blue than this though, and a little brighter. You know what? Something's missing. I feel like this sun flare is like really harsh. I feel like it needs to be softened a little bit. So I'm gonna do that with, I'm just gonna make like my own little brush mask right here. Kind of make it how I want. I'm gonna turn the flow down there, and then I'm gonna add like some haziness and warmth into the photo right here. There we go. There we go. Warmth, saturation, and then we're gonna turn down the clarity, down the dehaze, sharpness, noise reduction up. Okay, that is what it's gonna do for us. I'm going to go back in, add another brush. I'm going to keep this float down really low. I'm just going to add a little bit more to the mask. There we go. That's before and after. I call it warmth. I'm just going to call it sunshine. Okay, awesome. There is okay, that's before and that's after. I feel like this is the vibe I was going for with the photo. It's like very warm. And I might even, I kind of hate what this palm tree is doing when the sun comes through it. I might even fix that. Let me see. Let me see how it looks without it. I'm just going to take out these two. We're just going to see. Options. Okay, I think I like that better. That's with it. That's without. That's with. That's without. I think I'm gonna keep it. It just looks a little unnatural without it. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep it how it was. Okay, so that's before and after. I feel like this is the overall vibe of the photo. I like the little sun flares. I'm gonna keep them. I might see what happens if I just try to delete this spot right here and just see what my AI does, because I really like this big circle rainbow spot, but I don't love the little one. Okay, that's perfect. I officially don't need to do anything else to this photo. This is perfect. I'm gonna put the before and after on the screen so you guys can see. I'm obsessed with this. And thank you so much for editing with me. Thanks. Bye.